All right, we want to understand physically what's going on here. We have some hot water, and we're going to add ice to it. The ice is going to melt, cool down the hot water. We want to calculate how much ice needs to be added so that we get this temperature change and there's no ice that's left unmelted. So we have two different types of heat calculations. We have heat involving a temperature change and heat involving a phase change. And we also have to be careful that we know that the mass of the hot water is what's used in the temperature change calculation, and the mass of the ice is what's used in the phase change calculation. So here are the substitutions for the temperature change calculation. Notice delta T is a negative value. It's because we've lost temperature. Our temperature is decreased. Delta T, TF minus TI, our final minus our initial. So 0 minus 93 minus 93 degrees C. We also want to be careful that we incorporate the kilograms to grams conversion because we have our unit of heat capacity in calories per gram degree C. So I'm going to calculate out these values and ignore the units for clarity. And here's the algebra associated with solving for the mass of the ice.